My LED TV has sound but no picture.
Don't worry, we can definitely help you with that. Time to see why this screen is dark.
Power is on, but the backlights are not firing. Let's check for a ghost image behind the glass.
The image is there. The LED TV needs backlights. Opening the chassis to reach the internal LED array. Everything looks clean. Let's test the power output. Voltage is solid. The LED strips are definitely fried. Be very careful. This glass is very thin. Steady hands. Moving the panel to the rack. Found the problem. These strips are burnt out. These burnt spots killed the LED TV backlight. Peeling the old strips off the metal frame. Got to make sure the glue is melted properly. Cleaning the chassis for the new LED set. Installing fresh LEDs. These strips run way cooler. Boom! The backlight is back in business. Seating the panel. The 4K picture is popping. This repair is solid. It looks brand new.
Thanks for fixing my LED TV.
You're welcome.